What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Rides with Chops, and we are back up in the garage. We are going to be putting on some 16-inch ape hangers today on the Vulcan 900. You guys just saw I uploaded a video of me doing the headlight, and the headlight's working great. It looks good. There it is. So today we are going to be messing with the bars. As you can see, I have them tilted up a little bit because I didn't like how low they were. You can see I dropped this mirror. So today we're going to be pulling this rug. We're going to be pulling all the controls, and we're going to be throwing the 16s on. I watched a gentleman named Uncle June. He did this 16-inch conversion on his bike, and I'm going to give it a shot myself, so stay tuned. Alright, so first we will start by removing this, and then we will start loosening up the bars. I'm going to grab a blanket or something to protect the tank though, because we do not want to damage it. What's up, everybody? So we have been making progress on the bars. It looks like the only thing that will probably need extending is the clutch cable and the front brake line, but this is the progress we have. I'm going to make some more adjustments, see if I can get everything at least up and going. If not, we'll have to just wait for another day, but here we go. Looking good. We just still need to do this other side. I can zip tie some stuff. This guy, as you guys can see, it is, when I put my weight into it, as you can see here, it has slack, right? It has plenty of slack. I've turned it both ways. There's slack both ways. It's fine. It just doesn't look the best because it sits right here in the middle. This is gonna get zip tied, but yeah, making progress. What's up, everybody? All right, so update. Let's check out what we've done. Throwing the windshield back on, looking clean. We're gonna clean it up a bit. It's just a little dusty. Got the bars on. Everything's wired. I gotta just throw on some zip ties. And then I've got something else coming. I'm gonna hang another one right here. And it's gonna be good. We got the blanket on the back. That shit's clean, looks good. We'll have to take that off to clean the bike so we don't fuck it up. Everything looks good though. Only thing we gotta do is this clutch cable. Got the other fucking grip on. So we're matching now. It's clean. Hit that like, don't forget to comment and hit that bell. Until next time, guys. What is up, everybody? So here's some additional content. I just added the little bar mounts that I was waiting for. So I got the other mirror on and everything is completely done. I've been riding this thing. So let's take a quick look at it. It's a little dark, I apologize. But we got that cable on there. Everything is routed. And look at those mirrors. They look good. I'm very happy with how everything turned out. The bike looks good. I have another little video coming up in the works for you guys. So keep your eyes peeled for that. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little additional content that I added to the video. Peace out till next time.